Welcome to my new video and Happy New Year. I wanted to start New Year with something completely new, so I hope you like Lego. I have been collecting more Lego lately than hockey cards, but don't worry, hockey cards will come back soon. I wanted to show you some of my Lego sets. I only have my sets from when I have been an adult here, but I have some nice sets at my parents' home at my old room. I would like to show you someday. First set I want to show you is 8057 from 2010. Team is Atlantis and set is Freck Rider. It's the first set with a Shark Warrior. It also has second minifigure, a Speedman with an Atlantis key. This is the Freck Rider, small set, only 55 pieces. It's quite nice. Bit too much stickers. And here's the instructions. It has harpoons, so you can shoot those if you want. Here's the rest of the Atlantis sets. It was short-lived theme. Please like the video and subscribe if you want to see more of my Lego sets. I have much bigger than this. Thank you for watching and see you next time.